Hi everyone, welcome to Hello HeadLight. In this video, we are going to talk about LEN function. LEN, LEN function returns the number of characters in your input string. Here we have taken few input strings. Let's calculate their length. So we have to type LEN, open bracket, just select your input cell, just press enter. So in first input, we have total 14 characters including your blank space. Let's calculate it. INTN TAMIL, so total 9 characters here, plus we have a blank space 10 and NADU 4 characters. You got 14 as length. Okay, so let's drag this formula to all the cells. It returned the total number of characters in each cell. So now let's see how length function is useful in our text handling. So here we have a code. First two characters are your country code, so we use left function to split that country code. So then we know that the second two characters are our state code. We used mid function to split second two characters. So now how to split the state names here. In previous video we had a fixed characters in your right side also. So we entered that number directly. Here Tamil Nadu has a different number of character and Andhra Pradesh has different number of character in its name. We cannot directly type like this. Let's say RIGHT. Select your input string and Tamil Nadu has total 10 characters. So type 10 and press enter. It gave you Tamil Nadu. And Andhra Pradesh has total 14 number of characters. So we have to type right, open bracket, select the cell, comma 14. Just press enter. It gives you Andhra Pradesh. Are we going to split the state manually like this, entering the total number of characters? Here we are going to replace this number of characters with len function. So I'm just typing len, selecting this particular text. So now we know that first 4 characters are your country code and state code. To get the state name, number of characters in your state name, you have to remove those 4 characters from your code. So I'm just doing -4 with that length function, right? Length function will return 14. So here we are going to -4. So what we will get? We will get 10. So we are going to press enter now. It returns state name as Tamil Nadu. So when we drag the cell, automatically it returned all the state names without any manual work. For Andhra Pradesh, total characters are 18. Here it removed 4 characters from starting. The number of characters we wanted from right side is 14. So it returned Andhra Pradesh. So like that it returned all the state names. So this is how you can use length functions with a combination of left and right mid functions. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Let's meet with an interesting function in our next video. Bye bye.